Okay, get ready to see a screwed up Aventador. LB performance, I mean, what the fuck? What have they done? I don't know if it's stance or whatever it's called, but have a look. It's pretty damn low. It's like, what the fuck? Okay, now the camera's on the floor. Pretty low. Pretty inconvenient. It's like sick. Anyway, I don't know. It's funny, at least. See this color? Crazy. Crazy in a funny way. I wouldn't say in a good looking way. Special style. I mean, these are so low. Anyway, that's all for Liberty Walk now. We all have different tastes. So we have the new Mansory Stallone. I remember the old Mansory Stallone based on the 599 GTB, but here we have a real Stallone, or I mean the new Stallone based on the 812 Superfast. Looks absolutely crazy. Crazy in a Mansory way. Mansory should be state of the art and out of the ordinary. But crazy. See if it's open. Mansory. I don't know about the yellow. Super fast. And you have the yellow luggage holder. Mansory Stallone Mansory 720S. It doesn't, I mean, maybe it's because it looks so out of the world stock. It doesn't seem to be too outrageous. But this is pretty crazy. You have the stone carbon. And huge Mansory rear spoiler. The exhaust I kind of like. Looks good when they like stick out. You see these parts? And this thing reminds me about the 918 Spider with the Weissach package. So look inside. All this way is carbon. Beautiful. Actually very special. I wonder how the Senna 720 would look like. Sorry, Senna Mansory.